Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a maintenance detail on one of my clients' BMW X3M competitions. Hope you guys enjoy this video and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. for watching, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I've been cleaning this BMW X3M for quite a while now. It's a lovely car. The black on black just goes so well. I ceramic coated it about a month ago now. Put a 2-year coating on it, machine polished it, exterior decontamination, full detail inside and out as well. So it's really easy to maintain. Yeah, and then when I first started cleaning it, I put some ceramic wax on it as well. So the whole duration of me maintaining it for the last 3-4 months has been an ease, to be honest. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next one. We'll be back.